Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu says that the people inquired, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who is the most respectable amongst the people? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the most righteous one. They submitted, we are not asking you about this. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam, Joseph, who is Allah's prophet and the son of Allah's prophet, the son of Allah's prophet, and he is the son of Hazrat Ibrahim Khalilullah, Allah's friend. They submitted, we are not asking you about it either. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, then you want to ask about the Arab tribes. Here can those who were the best in them in the pre-Islamic period of ignorance are the best in Islam, provided they comprehend the religious knowledge. Abu Usama and Mutamir have reported it from Ubaidullah, Sayyid, Abu Hurairah and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3353.